Hey guys, this is Cool Guy, and there's this kind of swarm bees at our house. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, they're trying to make a nest.
Just by watering it, you won't get rid of it.
Whoa. If you can... Yeah.
Just stay away from it, please.
There's a bee nest in there.
Can you stay away from it, Alex?
Yeah.
Hey, sorry.
Oh man.
Upstairs. So it's,
Darn
that bush right near the garage?
If you can see that
it has
bush,
a big nest of bees
there's a nest in there.
And they are going crazy right now. Kids rang the doorbell saying,
Oh, bye guys, that's it. I just wanted to tell you. If you can comment in the video and tell us what we should do. I think we should get a smoke ring. It's really bad. Comment and subscribe. Tell us how we can get rid of those. And bye.